Hi, I'm Matt, the head of marketing here at TravelJoy.
And I'm Caitlin from the Joymaker team, and we're back for another episode of Moments of Joy, where we show you tips and tricks and how to get the most out of travel joy.
Now, one really valuable part of TravelJoy is that it puts all of your client communication in one place. So, all of those messages and back and forth with travelers is all in one easy to access message feed for each trip. So, you don't have to go searching through your inbox.
Most advisors have a really robust set of automations to take even more work out of their client communication. Today, we want to show you one of our newest small but mighty updates for those messages: the ability to include dynamic dates in your email templates.
This is really great for when you need to provide clients with specific dates in your messages, like, for example, when they can start making their Disney World Lightning Lane reservations or when certain cruise deadlines are.
Let's go ahead and take a look at how it works. So let's say you want to send an email template out before a client's reservation at Disney so that they can solidify their dining reservations. You can now use merge fields to pull in date information by heading into that template, placing your cursor where you want that merge field to go. Use this three-dot menu at the top, insert, and all of these options can be used to pull information from your client's trip automatically into this email template. Underneath trip, I'm going to select 60 days before the start date. And that way, that date will pull in automatically when we send this email to our client. Another really great tool that has been released with this is the ability to create custom dates. So, again, if we use that three-dot menu, insert, trip, and custom number of days before start date, our system will apply that, and you can just replace this number with the number of days that you need.
What a great new way to personalize those emails with those dynamic dates. Thank you, Caitlin.
Of course. And if you'd like to catch up on all of the latest updates from TravelJoy, plus hear a little bit about what we're excited for in the future, I hope you'll join me for our Year of Joy webinar on December 16th at 3 p.m. Eastern. You can sign up at the link in the video description.
We hope to see you there, and we will also see you again next week for another episode of Moments of Joy.
Bye.